2 leading marijuana stocks with interesting business models. Are these 2 marijuana companies pot stocks to watch? Although there are a lot of choices when it comes to marijuana stocks, not all are made equally. Pot stocks differ in several key ways. The main way in which cannabis stocks are different is the market that they work out of. Some cannabis stocks are considered pure play, which essentially means that they produce and sell marijuana flower. These companies are a good choice, but they can also be quite volatile. Another way that pot stocks differ is in their business models. Some companies have managed to avoid falling into big debt, while others are utilizing capital raising methods to do just that. Although profitability is profitability, debt is a big factor to consider when picking a marijuana stock to watch. Lastly, we have to think of what a cannabis stock's future will look like. A biotech pot stock to watch. 22nd Century Group Inc. may not be a well-known marijuana stock to watch, but the company has made its mark in the cannabis industry. 22nd Century Group stock is known for being an avid player in the tobacco industry, but it has ventured into cannabis in the past few years. Because it is a biotech company, 22nd Century Group stock has benefited from the business's ability to work with cannabis. While similar pot stocks like GW Pharmaceuticals Inc. and Insys Therapeutics Inc. operate in the biotech industry, they are very different from 22nd Century Group stock. The company has been working on producing cannabis with higher levels of certain cannabinoids. Although this is not new by any means, the public is showing greater demand for cannabis products with alternative cannabinoids. With that being said, 22nd Century Group stock is still considered to be a smaller pot stock to watch due to its size. A mid-cap cannabis grower pot stock. Village Farms International Inc. is a mid-cap grower of marijuana working out of Canada. Since mid-March, Village Farms stock has shot up by as much as 120%. This is quite a staggering gain, but gains like this have been seen across the cannabis industry in companies like Canopy Growth Corp and more. With a market cap of around $290 million, Village Farms stock is by no means a small marijuana stock to watch, but its business model makes it incredibly interesting. As opposed to some of the other cannabis growers, Village Farms has been in the plant growing industry for several decades. Because of this, it has vast experience in growing different plants and vegetables. With this, it has been able not only to grow some of the highest quality cannabis in the industry, but it also has some of the best yields as well. Because of its business model, many investors view the company as a marijuana stock to buy, but that decision remains up to every individual investor. With this, Village Farms stock looks like a leading marijuana stock to watch.